Today we have a 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder recreation built by Thunder Ranch in California. This build was originally done in the mid to late 90s and then was redone in 2009 with a complete new drivetrain, which we'll show. We recently put 4 new Yokohama tires on it. The back are 205/50/15. And the fronts we have 195/50/15. The paint on this car is amazing. It looks like a much fresher build. Has the chrome gas door in the front. Helmet fairing. Finished in my favorite color combination, silver over red. On the interior here we have a Nardi steering wheel. It's in 21,842 kilometers at the time of filming. That's right around 13,500 miles. But like I said, less than the drivetrain. Show you the other gauges here. Down below we have some additional gauges that have been added in this nice enclosure. Has a boost pressure gauge at the top, oil pressure gauge, oil temp, and cylinder head temp. So let's get a close look at the seats here. Real nice. We just put this carpet set in, complete carpet set, front, here, in the doors as well, both sides. So that's new carpeting just done by us. So one of the things I point out before we get to the mechanicals is behind this custom enclosure is a Halon fire suppressant system for the engine. That's what this fire knob is here. Do a walk around. Has the early Volkswagen style wheels. Has the headlight guards, chrome. Gives it a nice look in the front here, we'll show you. This car does have 4-wheel disc brakes as well. Show you the shifter assembly there, handbrake, boost retard, other boost knob adjusted settings. We'll open up the back here so you can see the engine. So we have the engine compartment open. I'll start telling you about the build, then I'll tell you about the more recent service work we did. So first, this was all brand new in 2009 underneath here. Started with a new auto linea block, built out to 2276 cc's. Have a Type 1 transaxle with a Quaife differential. So it also has a full turbocharger system. There's the intercooler there. We have a Turbo Smart wastegate, complete MSD ignition system. 4-wheel disc, as I mentioned. See how newer that looks. So that was done in 2009, but we did flush the entire brake system. Go around the other side. Plus you can take a look at this with it open. As well as there's the computer for the Snow Performance methanol injection, which is under the front. So the complete list of all the detailed service items we did are in the gallery, but we did new push rod tubes and seals, adjusted the valves, valve cover gaskets, oil change. We did some rubber fuel hoses out front, spark plugs. You can see all the go fast goodies here. Very fast car. Actually started up here. We'll close this up and do one final walk around. Really nice condition on this example here. So Been well cared for. You can see there's hardly any chips on the front, if any. Maybe some very tiny one right there. Paint's excellent. Favorite color combination for me personally, silver over the red on the 550 Spyders. There you have it, 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder recreation by Thunder Ranch.